How to detect AI-generated content, whether it's deepfake images or voices. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see a step-by-step guide on how to detect AI-generated content so you can stay informed and safe online. First, to detect AI-generated images, you need to look for subtle signs like unnatural lighting, inconsistent shadows, or distorted hands, or even blurred text. You can use different tools like Hive moderation. So I can just go ahead and search for Hive moderation here, hit enter, and you can detect AI images or text from here. So from here, you can upload your image. I'll just click on this upload button. And I've recently downloaded an AI generated image here. And as you can see, you'll find the result. And they will analyze pixels and patterns to flag AI generated content. So you will get the input is likely to contain AI generated deepfake contents. So it's almost AI generated 100%. And for deepfake videos, you want to watch for unnatural blinking. And then you need to see and notice irregular facial movements or mismatched lip syncing. You can use tools like deepware scanners to detect deepfake contents. And to detect AI-generated voices, you need to pay attention to slightly robotic intonations or unnatural pauses, or even too perfect pronunciations can be a good sign to detect AI-generated voices. You can use detection tools like Resemble AI or Voice Detector, and hit enter. You can detect AI voices from here. And a good tip is to cross-verify contents that you see online. You can check if the images or videos appears elsewhere, read the captions carefully, and look for credible sources. You can combine manual checks with AI detection tools, and that will give you the best results. And that's it. That's how you can detect AI-generated contents like deepfakes, images, and voices. Staying alert helps you with avoiding misinformation and protecting yourself online. If you found the video helpful, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more contents like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.